fam, welcome to day 2 of our arm and belly fat focus challenge, and we are going to be working on the tummy today, giving those hands a break. Let me know how your arms are feeling after yesterday's workout. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. And we are going to be doing 3 minutes of mountain climbers. We are going to be doing them in 3 ways. So I hope you are energized, I hope you are hydrated, I hope you are ready to begin today's challenge. So let's get down on the mat and get that first minute done. And I will be setting my timer over here, and we are going to begin straight away. So just get into position and you will begin bringing your legs towards your arms, focusing on pulling in your abs towards the spine and maintaining a proper form. Keep breathing. Keep going. This is a challenge, remember, and we have to get those 3 minutes done. In your arms as well. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. There goes our alarm, and we want to rest for 15 to 30 seconds, whatever your body needs, and we shall be moving into the next minute thereafter. So you want to stretch out a bit as well, and we shall be getting into the next minute in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this time round we are going to be crossing to opposite arm, opposite leg, and we shall get into position. I will just begin my timer right now, and what we want to do is to cross over, opposite leg, opposite arm. That means the right leg tries to reach out to the left arm and vice versa. So just continue going. Keep breathing, squeezing and tightening your abs towards the spine, feeling that burn, guys. It looks or feels quite easy, but it is killing me over here. Keep going. Keep breathing. I'm dying, guys. Keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there goes our alarm, guys. So just catch that break, stretching it out. Breathe in, breathe out. You can even get up and stretch out those legs as well, catching your breath, preparing for the last minute, guys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we want to get back down, and this time we are going to be doing it Spider-Man style. So I'll just begin my alarm over here, and we shall get into position, and we shall begin straight away. Ooh. Try to focus on your abdominal muscles as you bring your leg to reach your arms. It's a challenge, guys, so don't give up, don't give in, no matter the burn, keep proper form, guys, and keep going. We are doing amazing. Keep breathing and keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, my arms are on fire. My entire body is on fire. So we are going to just do the final stretching, guys, and we did it. So just give me that downwards dog facing pose. Just get into position and pull your abs towards the spine and lift your butt to face the ceiling. And we are going to be holding this, guys. Hold it for as long as you can or want. Target is 30 seconds. Keep breathing in and out, breathing and out. Feeling that stretch in your muscles, in your back, and keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down slowly. You want to sit down and give me that side stretch from the side to the other side and the other side, and stretch it out. And just give me one more time per side and the other side. And you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in one more time and breathe out. Coming to the end of today's challenge. A high five if you have made it through. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in this arm and belly fat focus challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Plus, it means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.